Welcome to Healthy Cooking with Emily. I hope you enjoy cooking this recipe that is delicious and healthy too. It's easy and fun and great for beginners and kids who are looking for a quick and simple dish to make. On my channel, you will find other videos of recipes varying from crustless quiche Lorraine to chocolate chip clouds. Always remember, when eating healthy, you can't go wrong in keeping your body nice and strong. Since I was making pancakes for my whole family, I decided to triple the batch. The original recipe says to use 1 banana, but since I tripled it, I used 3 bananas. Mash all the bananas in a bowl with a fork. Now it's time to add the egg. If you're making a single batch, add 1 egg. If you're making a triple batch like me, add 3. The last ingredient to add to the batter is the quick oats. If you're making a single batch, add 2 tablespoons. If you're making a triple batch, add 6. Now mix all the ingredients in the batter together until they are evenly distributed. The next thing I did was measure out 6 tablespoons of chopped pecans. 2 tablespoons if you're making a single batch. But I ended up having way too many pecans out because I only sprinkled a little pinch on top of each pancake. If you're not planning on adding a lot of chopped pecans to your pancakes, you don't need as many tablespoons as that. Put a no-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Even though the recipe didn't say this, I decided to put a little bit of canola oil in the pan to keep the pancakes from sticking. Then I spread it all over the bottom of the pan. To tell if the pan is hot enough to cook the pancakes, wet your fingers and flick water onto the pan. If the water sizzles, then the pan is hot enough to begin cooking. When the pan was ready, I used a spoon and I scooped 3 spoonfuls of batter onto the skillet. Then I sprinkled a pinch of pecans on top. After 3 minutes, I flipped each of the pancakes over and then cooked them for another 3 minutes. Because I made a triple batch, I got around 15 pancakes. One of the things that make this recipe healthier from other pancake recipes is that the base of the batter is banana. The recipe also has no sugar because the banana is already sweet and it has no flour or baking powder. Making this recipe is a great way to satisfy your hunger when you want pancakes and you still want to eat healthy. When learning about nutrition and how to eat healthy, a good place to start is by looking at a food pyramid. In my opinion, the easiest one to understand and follow is the current one by My Plate. It shows recommendations for the proportions of each food group you should eat with every meal. As you can see, half the plate is for fruits and vegetables and the other half is for grains and protein. People should eat 1 to 2 cups of fruit a day. Things that are in the food group are fresh fruit, canned fruit, frozen fruit, dried fruit, and 100% fruit juice. Everyone also needs to eat somewhere between 1 and 3 cups of vegetables a day. Some things that are in the vegetable group are fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables, canned vegetables, dried or dehydrated vegetables, and 100% vegetable juice. The next section of the plate is the grain section. You should eat between 3 and 8 ounces of grain a day. Some examples of grain are rice, cornmeal, bread, pasta, cereal, tortillas, oatmeal, and popcorn. Another important food group is protein. Foods that fall into the protein category are meat, poultry, seafood, beans, eggs, nuts, and seeds. In general, people should eat between 2 and 6.5 ounces a day. The last section on the My Plate diagram is dairy. You should eat less dairy than the other food groups. This is why the dairy section is represented in a glass next to the plate. You should eat somewhere between 2 and 3 cups of dairy a day. Some things that belong in the dairy food group are milk, yogurt, cheese, and calcium-fortified soy milk. Thanks for watching! I hope you had fun and enjoyed our time together. If you're interested, check out the other videos on my channel and take a look at my website. It's linked in the description. Don't forget, when eating healthy, you can't go wrong in keeping your body nice and strong.